Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial. How to download and run pre-written Delta PLC project programs using ISPSoft and CommGR software. To download any of the provided project codes into your virtual PLC, please follow these steps. Ensure that you have already installed ISPSoft and CommGR software from the Delta Download Center. The two are available free of charge. You can download each of the project codes as zipped files for each particular project. For example, files includes prj.rar and pic.png. Let's assume you have downloaded pic1 png and prj1 rar from the Udemy site and you wish to test it using either a Delta PLC simulator or a real Delta PLC. Opening pic.png shows the project specifications and PLC wiring layout. From earlier videos, let's review how project number 1 was designed to function. Project number 1. Controlling a 3-phase motor to run clockwise and counterclockwise. Depressing PB1 initiates clockwise motion, while PB2 triggers counterclockwise motion. Pressing PB3 stops both outputs. I depress PB1, CW contactor turns on, its color goes from green to yellow. I depress PB3 to stop motor. I press PB2 to turn on counterclockwise contactor. I press PB3 to turn it off. To download the project number 1 code to your PLC simulator, follow these steps. Right-click on the prj1.rar file and extract it. Double-click on the file with ISPSoft logo to open project number 1. Once the project opens, you can view the project number 1 code. To run the project code, you will need either a real PLC or the related simulator software. Double-click on the file with ISPSoft logo to open the project number 1. Once the project opens, you can view the project number 1 code. To run the project code, you will need either a real PLC or the related simulator software. Additionally, ensure you have already installed the CommGR software. Follow the video instructions to locate and run CommGR. In the CommGR window, no driver will be suggested by default. Click on the Add button to create one. Define the driver's name as My Driver and specify how ISPSoft should connect to the PLC or which simulator you want to use. In this project, Delta PLCs from the AH500 series were used. Select AH500 simulator and click on OK. A suitable driver will now be created, but it will be in stop mode. Click on the Start icon to activate your virtual PLC. Next, select My Driver and link it to ISPSoft. From the main menu bar, navigate to Tools, Communication Settings. Select the created driver in the window and click OK. At this point, a communication link between ISPSoft and the virtual PLC is established. Now it's time to download the project information to the virtual PLC. If you click on the My Driver window and select the I/O module button, a message stating there is no modules will appear. This means hardware information has not yet been downloaded to the virtual PLC. To define hardware, click on the HWConfig icon on the left panel to view the I/O modules that have been selected and defined as virtual I/O modules. From the download option, select the modules you wish to use as your I/O modules. Follow the next steps to download the selected I/O modules. At this stage, the hardware information will be downloaded to the virtual PLC. Now when you click on the I/O module under the My Driver icon, the input and output module information window will display the I/O terminals. These consist of 16 digital input addresses X0 to X15 and 16 digital output addresses Y0 to Y15. At this stage, no program code has been downloaded to the virtual PLC yet. To do so, go to the left panel, select Project, and then click on the Download icon. Before downloading any program, if you have edited the code, click the Compile icon first. If there are no errors, proceed with the download. Clicking the Transfer Again button will download the pre-written program to the virtual PLC. To start monitoring the execution of the project, click the Online icon. You can adjust the window positions for better monitoring visibility. In this project, the X0 and X 1 were defined as the start and stop buttons respectively. The outputs Y0 and Y1 were defined as M1 and M2 motors 1 and 2 respectively. Let's activate the start button. Oops, the PLC is not powered on yet. Turn on the PLC and then press X0. Notice that pressing the start button causes the first motor M1 to turn on, and after 10 seconds the second motor M2 will also turn on. Activating the stop button will cause the two motors to turn off. Pressing the start button again will produce the same operation. In this video, I showed you how to download and test the project on a virtual Delta PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.